What's up, guys? It's Prismatic X1, and in today's video we have some random blister packs from the new set Battles of Legend Armageddon Chaos Impact, and I think we have some hidden goodies in here. We have Judgment of the Light, which I found, which was pretty crazy. We have just one Rise of Destiny, guys. We're gonna save this pack for the last. Hopefully it's epic in what we pull. Rise of Destiny is an epic set. Maybe down the line we could get a full booster box of this, and we could do an awesome video. We also have, I think that's it. Do we have? Oh yeah, and we have Battles of Legend Heroes Revenge, Secret Slayers. Yeah, guys, we have a lot of random packs today, so we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna get all these packs open, slash them open, and we're gonna get to the next part. But if you're new to the channel, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the content, subscribe, and ding that notification bell so you get notified anytime we have a Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing video. I am setting up a new schedule, guys. Expect a video from me every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday starting this week, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy all the content. Let's get as much subscribers as we can so we can hit that 500 subscriber special. We'll do a little special for 500 subscribers, and then we'll do something bigger for the 1,000. But yeah, guys, enough talking. Let's jump into this and let's pull something epic like a Starlight. All right, here we go, guys. Let's do it. You see all the packs here for this epic video. Let's see if we can pull a Starlight rare or anything epic. That'd be awesome. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to be having, hopefully this week I get my boxes of the Rise of the Duelist, and we can still search for more Starlights, guys. So keep on the lookout for that. Can we pull that 10,000 Dragon? Yugi Boy. Necros. Assault Blackwing. Secure Gardener, Appliancer, ooh, and a Fossil Dragon Skull Guard. Got our nice fancy dancy Eclipse sleeves today, and we'll put all the pulls up there. We'll run through the pulls at the end of the video, like we always do, and put the total, see what we made out. Hopefully we made out good. Hopefully we make out good. Here we go. Second pack. Appliancer. I'm seeing a lot of these Appliancers. Ooh, Black Whirlwind. That's a pretty decent card. Invoked Purgatrio. Penguin Torpedo. Oh, nice, guys. Let's go. A Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. This is the fossil card that actually kept its value, because everything in this set tanked like crazy. So that's good. That's a good pull. Let's keep it going. Gotta make a t-shirt that says that. Let's keep it going. Because I should have a freaking counter up top. How many times I say that. Oh, nice. Dragon Buster Destruction Sword. I'm gonna lock you people out of the extra deck with that. Another Penguin Torpedo. Ooh, nice, guys, and a Chimera Tech Mega Fleet Dragon. Always nice to see that for those cyber players like me. Cyber dragons. Excuse me, guys, I had some delicious Dominoes before this video, so if you hear me hiccuping, don't mind me, because we're super all in for this video. Fire Flint Lady, that's a good one. Ooh, and a Fossil Warrior Skullbone. Not one of the ones that are worth anything, but we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it going, guys. The counter, it's going up. The counter is going up. Oh, another Black Whirlwind. a Necros, Elemental Heroes, Shining Flare Wingman, an Invoked Caliga. Ooh, guys, nice. We just pulled a Fossil Fusion. Yes. Have not pulled a secret rare yet, so that's really cool looking. Sleeve that bad boy up right there. Sweet. Alright, we got, these are the last 2 packs of Battles of Legend Armageddon. Can we end with Armageddon? Here we go. Yugi! Number 3, Cicada King. Goyu Defender. Kaioki Dragon. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is this a misprint, guys?
Nope.
Drago? I think it's supposed to say dragon. I'm gonna just put that to the side. I think we just got a misprint right there, guys. And a Utopic Future Slash. Yeah, that card's not too good, so. Let's pull one of the dragons, guys. Come on. Last pack. Give us the dragons, Kaiba. Kaiba! Here we go. Super all-in for the Ghost Rare. Ooh, and we pulled a Dolce. That's a really cool looking card. Very nice. Dolce and Jelly. I have not pulled that one yet either, guys. That is sick. But you know what that means, right? With this set, we're just going to have to keep getting more of this set till we pull a Starlight 10,000 Dragon Rare, whatever it's called, Starlight Rare. You know what it is, that 10,000 20th anniversary. But let's move on to Legendary Duelist Myrtle Destiny. Can we pull a Justy Gold or Malicious Bane? I don't know. We'll see. Predaplant. Ooh, and at least we got a holo, guys. Sentence of Doom. A Predaprime Fusion. So we got a holo. Let's go. Sentence of Doom. Very, very cool. Last pack of Immortal Destiny. I think we're doing pretty good so far, guys. We're not doing too bad. We could be doing better, though. Predaponics and Predaplanning. So, just a holo out of there. Let's go on to Battles of Legend, Heroes Revenge. A lot of Battles of Legend. Oh, nice. High Speed Roid. Kited Drake. Oh, okay. Okay, the secret rare was in the front. I'm sorry, guys. So we got a High Speed Roid. I don't know if that card's good, but we'll sleeve him up. Looks pretty cool. Eternity Code. Starlight Rare. Give it to us. AIQ. Super Heavy Samurai. Unchained Twins. And a Burning Draw. So nothing special out of there. Secret Slayers. Can we pull a Researcher? And a Emancipator Researcher, baby. Come on, right now. Or that Eldritch. Ooh, Trap Trick. Let's go. And yeah, the Golden Land. Not the card we were looking for. But we'll sleeve them up. Alright, guys, we are getting into the meat and grit of this pack opening. Chaos Impact. Can we pull a Starlight Rare? I'm gonna keep saying it because we're gonna manifest it. We're gonna manifest it into a pack. I swear to God. We're gonna do it again. Dream Mirror Phantasms. And a jelly cannon. So nothing in there. Or maybe we could get a safer, guys. Can we pull a safer? Striker Dragon. There's a lot of good cards in this set. Sea Angel. Bye-bye damage. Protocol Gardener. And the Mirror Foe. Yugioh boy. Can you save the day? Chamber of the Enchained. DDD Patrol Plane and Evil Eye. Unchained Twins. Markia. So we're kind of breezing through these Chaos Impact packs. It's definitely a hit or miss with these packs, guys. So Chamber of the Enchained. Oh, nice, guys, in the secret rare. Let's go. Yes. Unchained Soul Anguish. There we go. For the Unchained players. Jeez, I was about to be like, we are going cold. But that made up for it. Secret rare. Let's go. Last 2 packs. Chaos Impact. Can it give us an impact? Give us an impact. Cauldron of the Old Man. What Train. And a Primarial Congrate, which is not good. That is not great. Last pack of Chaos Impact. Dun, da, da, da. Starlight Rare. Here we go. All it takes is 1 pack. Ooh, guys, an Abomination's Prison. Our second secret rare. Let's go. Whoa. That artwork is awesome. I love the Unchained artwork. Very happy we pulled a second secret rare. That is sick. And the odds of that is pretty low. All right, guys, here we go. Last 2 packs for this video. Let's do it. Judgment of Light. Show us the light. Show us the magic. Super Defense Robot. Star Seraph Stage. Don't mind the dog. Confronting the Sea. So nothing special out of there, guys. We got 1 last pack. We're going to do it right now. Let's do it. You see here, Rise of Destiny. Let's go. If we can even get this pack open. It doesn't want to open for a reason. Here we go, guys. Rock from the Valley of Haze. Light in the Load. Nightmare Penguin. The Alchemic Being. Ooh, and a Serial Spell, guys. So, not a holo. And this. Ooh, Invasion of Flames. That old school artwork is just so sick. So sick. I'm going to get more of those packs, guys. But let's run through what we pulled in today's video, guys. Abomination's Prison. Unchained Soul of Anguish. The Golden Land. Hi, Speedroid. We really didn't do too bad. Sentence of Doom. La Dolce. Utopia Future Slash. That Fossil Fusion. Skullbone. Mega Fleet Dragon. And that's Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. Very happy about that we pulled that. And the Fossil Dragon Skull Gar. Sorry about my dog again. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, smash that like button, leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, ding that notification bell so you get notified anytime we have a Yu-Gi-Oh! Unboxing video. And until Monday's content upload video, yeah guys, I'll see you till next time. And until then, it's been real.